Hey guys, Larry the Mortgage Guy here. Good to see you again. Just wanted to address a question a lot of people have been asking me. The difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. Okay, so in order to break this down as simply as possible for something that you can research yourself, I like to go to Investopia, and it basically says the skinny on pre-qualified. Getting pre-qualified is the initial step of the mortgage process, and it's generally fairly simple. You supply a bank or lender with your overall financial picture, including your debts and your current assets and income. Now, loan pre-qualification does not include analysis of your credit or the in-depth look at your ability to purchase a home. Because it's a quick procedure and only based on information you provided to the lender, your pre-qualified amount is not a sure thing. And it's just the amount at which you might expect it to be approved for. For this reason, being pre-qualified does not carry the same weight as being pre-approved, which of course is more thoroughly investigated. So what does it mean to be pre-approved? Well, of course, we take the data that we found on your credit report and we also verify all the information that you gave us via income docs, like your pay stubs and your W-2s and your bank statements and your tax paperwork. We also verify your employment with your current and your former employers. And we make sure that everything that we've discussed over the phone or in person holds true. We calculate your true income and we basically plug in potential home to your current situation and we see how much you can afford. And that way we can provide you a confident bona fide pre-approval letter that you can actually make offers on that we will back up. And at my bank, we have a 92% pull-through rate. That means 92% of our pre-approvals get funded, okay? Now, it says that the pre-qualification and pre-approval, you must start to look at a home with a pre-approval because you will know in advance truly how much you can afford. Now, another article from Realtor.com says the distinction is, according to David Hall, president of Michigan-based Shore Mortgage, a mortgage pre-qualification is an initial assessment of the potential buyer and is often not worth the paper it's written on. It's not worth the paper it's written on. Do yourself a favor, folks. Get pre-approved before you start making offers on homes, okay? Now, I actually created an infographic for my potential borrowers. I know it's kind of ugly. I'm gonna make a new one, but basically the way I broke it down was that a pre-qualification is having your credit ran with stated income, minimal review of your financial history, and is designed to lock you in with loose promises. A lot of retail banks do this, okay? You'll find that if you get pre-qualified or pre-approved real quickly at a bank, this is basically what's happening, okay? Now, what we do at our bank is a pre-approval. We run your credit, we get your exact income document calculated, we verify your employment, we run you through the automated underwriting system. You should probably look that up, and it's designed to weed out bad loans. Okay, listen, we cannot afford to jam up our back end, our underwriting and our processing with bad loans. We do everything up front, so we make sure it's perfect so that whenever we get a contract, we can fund the deal as quick as possible. No surprises, okay? Like again, here's my infographic. I'll post it on the bottom, even though this one's ugly, and I'll update with a better one. Now, to finalize, the same article that I talked about before, they say the bottom line about a pre-approval versus pre-qualification is be warned. Pre-approved and pre-qualified are not the same thing. Don't assume that the bank will provide your loan until you have the former, meaning pre-approved. This mistake could cost you your home, okay? So in other words, try not to make decisions without a true pre-approval, okay? And again, this is what my bank does. We have a 92% pull-through rate, and the reason why we do that is because we do everything up front and we make sure that we address any issues or hairs on your file before we send you out shopping. This is Larry the Mortgage Guy. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.